Welcome to Session 2 of the Fractions, Decimals, and Percents mini-course. The objectives of this session are to promote conversation and success with mathematical endeavors, using color tiles to illustrate fraction concepts, to explore the fraction concepts of equivalence, simplest form, and common denominators, and to introduce the NCTM problem-solving standard. In this session, we will spend the first 10 to 15 minutes sharing the applications that participants found for fractions, decimals, and percents during the week, and your experience with the Bringing It Home activity from Session 1. We will then spend 70 to 80 minutes learning to use objects to represent fractions and using color tiles to explore equivalent fractions, simplest form, and common denominators. After that, we will spend a short time introducing the NCTM learning principle and then 10 to 15 minutes on a closing activity and reflection on what we learned in this session.
Okay, welcome back. Thank you all for joining us for Session 2 of Fractions, Decimals, and Percent. My name is Patrice Jefferson. I am a teacher at Atkinson Elementary. I have been teaching, this will be my 14th year. I have rotated among 4th and 5th grades, okay? So, we're going to start off tonight. Last week we worked on where do we see fractions, where do we see decimals, where do we see percents. So, at your tables you have sticky notes. If you found any other places during the week where you use fractions, decimal, or percent, can you please jot them down and you can take them over to the board. Mr. Allen?
Of course, if you take so many shots, they give you the number of shots that you take and then how many you make. So if you took 9 shots and you made 3, so you had 3 out of 9. Okay. That creates a fraction.
Okay. It is important for children and adults to understand the importance of equal parts when determining fractional names. Young children often respond to the notion of fair shares when first learning about fractions. It is important for children, when developing fraction understanding, to be able to picture fractions in a variety of ways. Manipulatives help them develop this kind of flexibility of thinking. The manipulatives used in this class are manufactured specifically for teaching purposes. But many household objects serve as fractional manipulatives. Things such as folded paper, as Manaya said, measuring cups, food items, as a couple of people said, coins, and paper clips work just as well. The manipulatives used in this section are called color tiles. They are square tiles in 4 colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. These are the color tiles. You should have 10 of each. You have red, yellow, green, and blue. Okay, I need everyone to take out 1 red, 1 blue, 6 green, and 4 yellow. 1 red, 1 blue, 6 green, and 4 yellow. That's 1 red, 1 blue, 6 green, and 4 yellow. 1 blue, 6 green, and 4 yellow. Compare the number of red tiles to the total number of tiles. What fraction does this red tile represent? What fraction does the red tile represent? What fraction? Okay, it's 1/12. How did you all come up with 1/12? Xander? Xander said the denominator is how many you have in all. So, how many pieces do we have in all? We have 12. He said the numerator is how many that's shaded. So, is it shaded in this case, Xander? What color is it in this case? Red. Good job. Good job. Okay? What fractions do the other colors represent? What fractions does the blue represent? Chance? Okay? Chance, can you show me how you came up with 2/12, please? Can you tell me how you came up with 1/12, please? Mm-hmm. The blue is 1 out of 12. Okay? Good job. Can someone tell me about the yellow? What fractional part is for the yellow? It represents 4/12. It represents 4/12. Okay? How did you come up with 4/12? There's 4 yellow, and the entire thing is 12 pieces. Good job. And Tiavion, can you tell me the fraction for the green? It is 6/12. Good job. Okay? Okay. We heard numerator and denominator. We heard the word numerator and denominator. Okay? Tiavion, do you know what a denominator is? Can you tell us, please? Can you tell us, please?
Denominator is the number at the bottom of the fraction.
It's the number at the bottom of the fraction. Good job. Can someone tell us how we come up with the denominator?
Denominator is the number at the bottom of the fraction.
It's the number at the bottom of the fraction. Good job. Can someone tell us how we come up with the denominator? Xander, how do we come up with the denominator? You count how many pieces in all. Good job. Okay? Can someone tell me what is a numerator? Julian? It's the number at the top of the fraction. Good job. How do we come up with the numerator? How is the numerator found? Ms. Taylor?
It's the parts that's being considered.
It's the parts that's being considered. Okay? Good job. All right. We're going to make 2 different groups with the fractions that we have. We're going to put the 6 green in a group. And we're going to place the other colors in one group. Okay, discuss at your tables. What could be the fraction for the amount of green? What could be the fractions for the amount of green? What's the fraction? It's 6/12. Okay? Chance, do you see another fraction? You see 1/2. Chance, how do you see 1/2?
Because 6 plus 6 is 12, and that's half.
Okay, good job. See, Avian? You have 2 groups here. What you said, here and here. This is one group that's green. You see it? Okay? All right, now I would like for you all to make this group. You now have 4 groups with 3 inside of each group. Okay, discuss with the teachers or the adults, the parents at your table. Tell them what fractional parts do you see for the green.